Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at a trading sensation that was produced from a free Forex course. Now, as an educator, nothing is a better reward for my efforts than to see somebody taking your training and becoming a complete success. And this video shows a Forex trader that has done exactly that. It's been a great start to 2020 to have a student that not only has taken the information that I've given him, but has become a much better trader than I ever will be. Now, just to give you some background, where I trade, I have a number of trading rooms and I use them for educational purposes, but also Forex traders come and visit me now and then and we trade together and talk about Forex trading and that type of thing. And that's what happened this week. An ex-student of mine came across, stayed over for a while. We had great time, great dinners, shared a good drop every now and then, and spoke about Forex trading, and he actually used one of the trading rooms to trade. And I'm going to show you his trading record while he was here for the 2 days and talk about why he in particular is so successful. Now, here's his trading record for the 2 days that he was here, and you can see he had 100% success rate. He generated quite a bit of money, so his visit was well worth it. And we'll go through a few of the trades that he's made. But what got him to this point? He's at the point where he can spot trades that I can't even see on the charts and trade them successfully. That's the point that he's got to. And we're going to look at the actual technique. It's called the channel trading technique. He has mastered it. And he hasn't mastered because he understood the rules of the technique. He's mastered it because he has done hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands, of channel trading trades. And he can spot channel trading trades in his sleep. You can wake him up at 12 o'clock in the evening, show him a chart, and he will point out a trading opportunity to you. That's how good he is, and it didn't come easy. Lots and lots of work, lots of back trading, lots of live trading, and he's at the point of such incredible confidence that he knows the price action of the market pretty well. Now, the course that he did is free. Because I give these courses away free because I believe they are useless unless you take them and do what this guy did. Apply them, backtest them, make them your own, become the master of that technique. They are totally useless. You could read through and you say, oh, these are the rules, these are the rules. They are meaningless unless you take them and make them your own and backtrack and become the master. You have to be the master of that technique. So I have a lot of free courses that you can download because they are absolutely useless if you don't know what to do with them. They have no value. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to review some of the trades that he did, give you an idea of the way he thinks, of the way the channel trading technique works, and you can then decide whether you want to become a master of this technique. This technique, by the way, discounts most price action techniques that there are. It has Fibonacci built into it. It's got non-horizontal support and resistance areas built in. It's got horizontal support and resistance areas built in. It's got trend line techniques built in. It is a all-in-one trading technique, and that is why this guy is so successful. Okay, so let's move on and I'll show you a few of his trades. Okay, so now, as I said, this is he uses channel trading. This is a classical trade. In other words, channel trading basically says if you got bouncing points, you've got one bouncing, two bouncing point, three bouncing, then that one, which is an extension of that line, becomes a predictable bounce area. It's a predictable bounce area. So he entered at the predictable bounce area, and then the other side of the channel is obviously a target which you can go to, and that was one of his trades. So you can see that in fact is the trade. There's the target. The stop can't be shown. This is a picture, but that basic channel trading, and he did this trade. This is one of those successful ones. You can go and reconstruct those trades and play around with them. Here's another technique that he used. Again, channel trading, bounce, 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 and then what happens in channel trading, if it doesn't go to the other side, it's what we call a failed swing. So this is a swing, 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 swing. fail swing. Now, when there's a fail swing, then there's the chances of a breakout pretty probable, and that's where he entered. He entered on the breakout and went for 60 pips. By the way, he trades 30 pip stop, 60 pip target, and here's an example. There's the stop, there's the target. He could have gone to there, but that's his technique. He trades 30 pip stop, 60 pip target. So I'm not going to interfere with that, but he could certainly have gone over there. Here's another one, channel 1, 2, 3, 4, fail swing, breakout, entry, and this time he went to the target of the channel. Now, by the way, if you see a channel like that, the target is normally the width of the channel that it's coming from, and that's how he got out over there. But that, by the way, was also 60 pips and a 30 pip stop. And then here, this one's a little bit more complicated. It was a breakout 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it broke out, and then, as you can see, it travels to the other side, the same width of the channel, and he actually used that. He used his target as an entry point for this trade, and he traded his normal 60 pips up, back to retest the previous channel, and that's how he got into that one. There's the target and there's the stop. And let's have a look if there's something else. Okay, here's another one. In fact, this is a continuation of the other trade that he did. Bounce, bounce, bounce. It had a breakout. It went to double the channel, or the same width as the previous channel. He entered there, stop over there, target over there, and got in quite nice. And then here's another one. Bounce, 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 bounce. Again, a predictable bounce. But here, interesting enough, he should have got out over there, didn't get out. It made a failed swing, and he then just got out when he woke up the next morning. So this was a fortunate trade. There's the stop, there's the entry, and there's the target, and it hit his target quite nicely. So now you wonder, where can I get this course? Here, I've just downloaded this course onto our forum. You can see there's no views yet. It's literally been downloaded right now. It's a free 8-video course. You can go and access it by going to our forum. If you're not a forum member, you can join the forum for free, and then you can access not only this course, but there are 70 to 80 free indicators. In here, we also have a multi-channel indicator, a free channel surfer indicator. So we've got a whole lot of tools that will help you do channel trading, and I would thoroughly recommend that you go and do this course and download all those indicators. Also, channel trading is part of my lifestyle technique. Again, a completely free technique. Go and have a look at the videos on the lifestyle technique. You can see this video alone had over 10,000 views, and there are 39 of these videos scattered in this particular playlist. Find the ones that you find most interesting, and you can then learn the lifestyle technique. The lifestyle technique is designed for people that don't have a lot of time to trade and don't want to spend hours looking at the charts. And a lot of these entries that this guy did were on pending orders. So in other words, he saw the deal way in advance, put his pending order in, pending order was activated, and the deal was open. So that automates manual trading. You don't need a Forex robot. If you're a good manual trader, you don't need a Forex robot. You can use pending orders to automate your trades, because he knows he wants a 30 pip stop. He knows he needs a 60 pip target, and everything's automated. He doesn't have to spend hours in front of the chart. Now you can see how happy I am to have run into my previous student, who now has become a fully fledged full-time trader, making considerable income, much more than he earned in his previous position. Now again, I hope you've enjoyed the information that I provided in this video. Please go and enjoy the free courses that I provide, the free techniques that I provide. And as I say, the onus is on you to become successful. It is not the technique's role to make you successful. You're supposed to take the technique and master it and become successful. Now, wishing you again a great 2020. And from me, Alex the Ploy, cheerio.